Here we go again. It is Wednesday, beautiful weather outside, very windy out there. So if you're out there, hold on to your doors because my door just about ripped off a little bit ago. But here we go for our Windy Wednesday. All right, let's exercise them brains. Here we go. Well, today what we're going to be talking about again is adverbs, and then we're going to talk about time on the clock. But for our adverbs, let's go ahead and go along with our beginning definition. Adverbs describe an action verb. Their job is to describe the action verb. Okay? Yesterday we talked about the how. Today we're going to talk about when and where. So for where, adverbs that tell where, some examples are there, ahead, outside, around, up, far, here, away, nearby, and everywhere. All of these adverbs listed here all talk about where things take place. Okay? All of these talk about where things take place. So all of them are adverbs. All right? So for the time or the when, adverbs that tell when or what time things happen would be things like first, soon, always, early, next, today, later, tomorrow, and then. So see, with adverbs, you don't realize it, but yet you're saying adverbs in almost every single sentence. So again, today's lesson is about where things happen and when things happen. Where did the action take place and when did the action take place? I don't have enough room on here on the board to write these all out, so I'm just going to read them off to you. Number one would be like, my family goes outside on weekends if the weather is nice. What is my adverb in that sentence? It would be outside. Outside is the adverb because it's telling where you go. Last week we hiked far into the woods. Okay? Where did we hike at? Far into the woods. So far is my adverb. Okay, number 4, we saw a big lake ahead of us. Where is that big lake? Ahead. It would be the adverb. We ate our lunch there. Where did we eat our lunch? There. So again, our adverbs that tell where are basically just like these. They basically are explaining where something took place. All right, so for our when, draw one line under, well, according to my directions, draw one line underneath each adverb that tells when. Going back to what I do in class, because I give every one of these kiddos these little sheets. Okay, number 6 would say, or number 5, I guess in this case, my dad always bakes a cake for the school bake sale. When does my dad bake the cake? Always. First, he buys all the ingredients for the cake. When does he buy all the ingredients for the cake? First. Next, he mixes everything together. When did he mix everything together? Next. Then he bakes the cake in the oven. When does he bake the cake in the oven? Then. He decorates the cake later when it is cool. When does he decorate the cake? Later. So again, you don't even realize it, but yet you're using adverbs all the time in your sentences. So just to recap it, and again, you want to go back over this, just rewind the video, go back over it and make sure that you guys are understanding it. Any questions, as always, down below the video, ask them. Kiddos on Your Mind 101, talk to your parents or message me through your parents' phone and I'll help you there. Okay, so just to make sure you understand, adverbs, their definition is to describe an action verb. Today, we're talking about where they take place and when they take place. Good examples for where are there, ahead, outside, around, up, far, here, away, nearby, and everywhere. Adverbs that tell when are first, soon, always, early, next, today, later, tomorrow, and then. Other examples of that would be second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. So again, there you go. All right, so hopefully if you, again, just rewind the video, go back over it again if you need to. Put a pause on it if you want to, whatever you guys need to do. Any questions, again, just write below it, and I'll go ahead and go over them with you if you need me to. All right, so yesterday we talked about the thermometer. Let's recap that real quick. Again, I did not draw the entire thermometer. What I did here is I put 40 degrees and I put a line up here with 50 degrees. What we talked about yesterday was 2-degree increments. So again, 42, 44, 46, 48, and 50. Some of you wanted to do a little single increments, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on and so forth. And some of you just wanted to do just single, or 5 increments of 5. So 40, 45, 50. So again, up to you on how you wanted to do that. But that's just what we did yesterday. Reading a thermometer, very, very easy. Okay, so today we're going to break this down into 2 parts, today and tomorrow. Today, I'm going to be talking about quarter till. So quarter till is the first part that we're going to be talking about. Okay, quarter till. Then we're going to talk about half hour. And then we're going to talk about quarter after. Okay? So again, quarter till, half hour, quarter after. Okay. So on a clock, and I'm going to do my very, very best on this to make my clocks look nice, but again, do your very, very best. It's all that matters. All right. So quarter till. All right. So here we go. We have the 12 up here, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, then the 6 down here, 7, 8, and 9 across, 10, and 11, so on and so forth. I'm just going to do 12, 3, 6, and 9 down on these ones. You guys go ahead and label it all the way out, but for time's sake, there you go. All right, so that's what your clock is going to look like. Obviously, you're going to have a dot in the middle. Parents, if you want to, go ahead and download the clock and print it off. Make it simple, make it easy for you. Okay, so quarter till. Okay, whenever you have a quarter till, kiddos, whenever you're doing a quarter till, that simply means it is something 45. This quarter till means 15 minutes until the next hour. So if I put my hour hand between the 3 and the 4 and my minute hand on the 9, that means it's a quarter till 4. Okay? If I put my hour hand between the 4 and the 5 and my minute hand is on the 9, that means it's a quarter till 5. All right? So quarter till means that it's 15 minutes until the next hour. So on this clock, here's what I want you to do. Draw this clock and tell me what you got. So put a pause real quick and then come on back up. Should be ready to go now. Here we go. What time does this clock say? This clock, it's obviously between the 2 and the 3, so it is 2 something. Okay, so it's a quarter till what? If it's 2 something, minute hand is over here at the 9, so it is 2:45, right? So 2:45 is a quarter till 3. Okay? 2:45 is the same thing as a quarter till 3. Okay? So again, the minute hand is going to be on the 9. For quarter till, the minute hand is going to be on the 9. And when you say this, you're going to say it's to the next hour. So if my clock looks like 2:45, it's a quarter till 3. What if this said 6:45? Then it'd be a quarter till 7. All right? Pretty simple, pretty easy. Half hour, this is the easiest one of all. The half hour. Half hour would simply be the minute hand is down here at the 6. The hour hand is at whatever it's at. So this would be 3:30, telling time to the half hour. Be 3:30, then 4:30, then 5:30, 6:30, 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, so on and so forth. Okay? So again, if you're telling time to the half hour, just wherever your hour hand lies, let's say this hour hand is lying up here at the 1, so it would be 1:30. All right? Okay, put a pause on that and go ahead and start working some of those. And now you should be back. And now let's go ahead and go to quarter after. Now, just like on quarter till, my minute hand is on the 9. Quarter after, my minute hand is on the 3. So it is something 15. Okay, that is still, man, I gotta learn how to draw these 5s sideways. I'll get there, probably get there eventually, but. All right, so quarter after, so if my hour hand is pointed at the 9 and my minute hand is pointed at the 3, it is 9:15 or quarter after 9. All right? So again, if it's quarter till, what you're going to say is 6:45, and it's a quarter till 7. Okay? 15 minutes until 7, a quarter till 7. 6:45. Again, if it was 5:45, it would be a quarter to 6. If it was 4:45, it would be 4:45. If it was 3:45, it would be 3:45. If it's 9:45, it's 9:45. Okay, so whatever this is, just add that hour on there, and that's all you got to do. Half hour, pretty simple, pretty easy. Minute hand straight down there. 1, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 30, 10, 30, 11, 30, and so on. And then our last one, quarter after 9 would be 9:15. Quarter after 8 would be 8:15. Quarter after 7 would be 7:15. These two right here, quarter till and quarter after, are the most common missed clock questions, at least in my classroom. Quarter till, something 45. Quarter after, something 15. Okay? So again, tomorrow we'll just do 5-minute increments. We should have done the 5-minute increments today and the hour hand today, but not going to worry about it. I decided to get it a little bit tougher on you guys. We might even do something different tomorrow because the hour hand and the 5-minute increments are pretty simple, pretty easy. So, but anyway, hopefully you guys are having a blessed and wonderful day. Again, it is beautiful outside. Go outside, sit on your back patio, front patio, whatever. Read a book, drink a cup of tea. Wow. Definitely be drinking that water. But guys and girls, hopefully you guys are having a good time. We got just a couple more days. So let's see, 5, 10, 12 more days of this. Wow, we're doing good. All right. So again, friends and family, you need anything, holler at me, let me know. Any questions or comments, right below the video, write them. My Remind Kids, you already know what to do. Love y'all, miss y'all. Have a blessed and wonderful and happy Wednesday. And I will see you tomorrow for exercising that brain. See ya.